Restoring a motorcycle old rusty frame. So we're going to work through this and see which bits need work. We had a little bit of a break where we've gone into the panels and some spraying to prep that while this frame needed to be dismantled. So what I will be doing in this video is taking apart all the parts, checking the wiring and getting the frame basically ready to be repainted. So it's a rusty old frame from the motorcycle that I'm restoring, 1979 Honda CB 250N. So you'll see the wires are all over the place. So once we recover this and get it ready, we'll rewire this so that it's a bit neater. We need to take the indicators off. There's quite a few spots on there that do need attention, and slowly we're going to remove these parts and keep a log with this video so I know where things go back. And I have got a wire brush on a cordless and corded drill to help me actually get some of the paint off and the old rust on the frame. There are some spots that need a lot more work, so I will be ordering some additional parts, but you'll see a wire brush and drill works wonders to get rid of all the rust and get you back to bare metal. And to respray, I'm thinking I'm not going to spray it, I'm actually going to paint it. So I have got Rust-Oleum paint, and it works quite nicely, and Hammerite as well is another brand. Depending on which ones you go, it can actually go directly onto metal. So you can see here slowly, it will take some time, and this was over a course of like about a day, and there's lots of little hidden bits. You can dismantle it further if you wanted to. However, I stuck to the key locations and slowly removed parts as I saw rust. And you can see the back mud guard is actually a metal one on this motorcycle, so I need to order a replacement of that because that was really badly rusted and corroded. And again, the bike front end hasn't been touched yet, so I will be looking at the front end once I get all the actual other bits up and running and cleaned up. So it is a kind of a routine of how I'm going through this. I got the engine ready first, slowly moved on to the additional parts on the frame. We got the panels off. I wanted to do the panels and engine last, but to make way, I'm slowly putting the parts back onto the motorcycle, testing it. We've done the carbs, the back rear. But you can see here, actually, it was quite bad. The swing arm needed a lot of work. So I looked at it and I thought, you know what, I've got some JB Weld. Let me see if JB Weld can fix this, because it's meant to be like a weld replacement. So you don't need to have a welding machine. But here you can see the frame slowly coming to its bare stages, and the swing arm was removed, and I got all of that ready. So I wanted to give you a quick update as this is progressing, because there's a number of additional updates that will come through. But I thought, as a diary for myself, I didn't really do much videos on the frame. But restoring a motorcycle frame, the simple case of it is taking off all the old paint, any rust, and then repainting it and putting the parts back on. So you'll see how that's progressed over this video, and I have got a few other bits that I will be sharing along the way, so make sure you check that out. You'll see that the actual swing arm was rusted, and you know what, I thought I'm going to throw it away, order another one. But I thought, as for a video, let me actually see if I can repair it. So in the next video, we'll see if we can repair this swing arm. If you're enjoying this series, make sure to subscribe so you actually get notifications directly to your phone each time I load a new episode. I've got loads of videos planned for this bike when we get it back on the road, so it'd be good to have you along on the journey with me. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video right here.